Congratulations on purchasing your Lund running boards. Let's get started with the install. Review the boards, brackets, and hardware provided in your package. Proceed by identifying the 4 attachment locations on the passenger side of the vehicle. To attach all of the brackets, insert a U-nut into the holes in the body panel. At the bottom edge of the panel, where necessary, attach another U-nut to the holes. Place the bracket in position and attach it using 2 bolts and 2 washers. Now secure the bracket in place by tightening the hardware. When all 4 brackets are attached, place the board in position. Slide the board bolts to the holes in the brackets. Attach and tighten the nuts to secure the board in place. Repeat the process on the driver's side.